My client was dealing with constant afternoon slumps. He felt like he was running out of steam before the workday ended. I suggested a simple change. Seeing him walk into our meeting at 4 p.m. with full focus was surreal. He told me the lemon and honey drink became his secret weapon to stay alert during the long hours at the office.